Kia ora, I'm Lupe Scarlett from Waiheke Island, reporting for Kea Kids News. Did you know that there are over 1 million stormwater drains all over Aotearoa? The problem is that most of these drains are going straight into our ocean, along with all the litter. And I'm here at Onitangi Beach to meet someone who's come up with a way to stop this. Kia ora, Greg. So stuff comes out of here and it goes into the ocean, right?
Kia ora, Lupe. Yeah, so this is what you call a stormwater outfall. So basically a big concrete pipe, and that hooks straight up to the grates on the side of the road. The roads kind of look clean, but then every time it rains, everything in the gutter ends up washing in through the pipes and end up on the beautiful beach. So we invented a product that you put in the pits to stop these pollutants getting onto the beaches. So Auckland Council decided to do a trial in Waiheke to see how good these things are.
What's the grossest thing you found?
In the litter traps, when we pull them out, we find a lot of cigarette butts, and we find a lot of broken glass and sharp things.
Can we go up there and check it out, see what gross stuff is in there?
Yeah, let's go and take a look, eh? Let's see what's at the other end of this pipe.
All right, so let's pull it out.
Okay, let's do this. Let's tip it onto the mat here.
Let's sort through some rubbish.
When we spread it out, we'll find all the little pollutants in there. Found one already. I can already see some butts as well.
Yeah, I saw some too. This is gross. There's so many. Haven't they got chemicals and toxins in those cigarette butts?
Yeah, you're right, they do. And it ends up going out into the water and they just soak out.
Coo-wee.
It was a beautiful sunny day when Mr. Butt was flicked away. Mr. Butt came crashing down, not in the sea, but on the hard, hot ground. But then one day, a downpour of rain carried him towards a stormwater drain. From there, he was joined by trash of all types that flowed to the sea from stormwater pipes. He floated and flipped and gurgled with glee, but a fish came along and thought he was tea. Mr. Butt tasted terrible, and the fish felt sick. Another tastier morsel should do the trick. The very next night, after a long day by the sea, a family feasted on fish and chips for tea.
So listen up, people that throw their butts away. Stop doing it. Thanks, Greg, and all the people that are helping our oceans. This is Lupe reporting for Kea Kids News.